What if you could trade the Forex market 24/7, without emotions, without hesitation, and with precision? The truth is, the right knowledge and the right tools can make all the difference. Trading Forex isn't easy. Slippage, emotional decisions, and missed opportunities can cost you profits. Even experienced traders struggle with consistency. But what if there was a way to remove guesswork and let cutting-edge technology work for you? Meet AI Max Pro EA, an AI-powered trading bot designed to analyze the market in real time, execute high-probability trades, and adapt to changing conditions. No emotions, no fatigue, just data-driven precision. With AI Max Pro EA, 24/7 automated trading, even while you sleep. AI that learns from market patterns to optimize entries and exits. Built-in risk management to protect your capital. A tool that scales with you, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Traders using AI Max Pro EA have seen consistent results, capturing small, frequent wins that add up over time. It's not magic, it's math, executed flawlessly. Ready to transform your trading? Click the link below to learn more and get started with AI Max Pro EA today. Don't just trade, trade smarter. The markets won't wait, will you?